Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Audio is not working. Can you hear me? Sound check. Check, check, check. Can you guys hear me? Now it is, bro. So audio was not working because I was not speaking. Yes, brother, we can hear. There we go. Perfect. Very quick question. Have a sell limit at 52.5. Is smart? You mean 4,052.5? You just got filled at the tick. I'm in a sell actually. Hello, Islamic vibe for you. Hello, Bob Gal. How you guys doing? Hi, everyone. Let's see how this trade's gonna play out. We are on a sell. And this sell right now in drawdown. And let's see how it's gonna play out. The stop loss for this sell that I shared also in my VIP group, it's 4,060. Let's see. Because I really don't believe that bottom is in for gold. And more downside will come for you. Doing great. You made my day with the sell trade. Nice, brother. Nice. Yay, Anika. I'm good, my dear. What about you? Good Monday, good week. Let's start the week the best of the ways. We made 150 pips already in my channel with the buy signals. Shared this morning. And actually, let me show you. It was this one. I shared it in my VIP channel, but also I shared in the free. So if you are in the free, you have got this channel as well. I mean this signal. My bro is the best. Love you too, brother. Thank you very much. Today trade from my signals made you $25. Anika, that's a beautiful news also because I remember from last week that we spoke, you had low budget in your account due to some losses that you faced, so I am super happy for this. That's beautiful. Guys, I hope it's because I did not refresh the screen, but I see only 2 likes on my video. But like, not the likes on the chat, the likes here below the video. Leave me the like on there, because we need a lot of them, so I will be able to stay longer. Right now, single miss, but wait, if market will back and then replace. Nice. Let's see how this trade is gonna play out. Let's go break the like button, brother. You're the best. Absolutely, we're gonna destroy the like button. My YouTube channel is very, very small, so we need to grow. Because I cannot accept that scammers like Mamba FX, that this guy, he cancel all the losing signals from his channel or edit the other one for make it appear better, and he has massive reach on YouTube. for talking shit, and me, the transparency in person. I have only few viewers, but these only 13 people, these are my family. So you guys are my family for now, which is beautiful. Let's stay all together. Today we're gonna trade the US session, and it will be nice. It will be a massive session today, guys. Let me tell you, it's gonna be massive. Let me check also 1 second on Bybit. Can you guys see my Bybit screen as well? Let me check. Maybe no. I'm getting a look on my short on Bitcoin because since last week I was in profit like $1,400, now less than 600, which is horrible to see. I don't want to get stopped out at break-even. Come on, it sucks. It's almost 1 week that I'm on this trade. Come on, man. Come on, Bitcoin. That's so weird. It's a $4 spread here. I'm on TradingView though. What you mean for $4 spread, brother? Consider there is a little bit latency, so you might see my screen a little bit with a small delay. Well, as you can, I see now the price of gold, it's $4,044. Let's see, guys. Let's see how this sell is gonna play out. I'm slightly in profit. Very slightly, like $20, $15. But let's see, we are here, we're gonna make this trade play out until the end. Hello, man and Paddle, how are you? Yes, on screen it's 42.9. Okay, yeah, it's because of the delay. What's my lot size? I entered on this trade with half lot, so it's 0.5 trade. Here we go, I show you. 0.5 on my personal account. This is not prop firm, this is my live account on PooPrime. I do also have some prop firms like this one. I have 3 challenges. I mean, not challenges anymore. I'm founded in all 3 of them. What do you think is the best indicator on TradingView for gold? Your eyes. Your eyes and your gut. There's no magic indicators. I mean, you can see I use moving averages lines, but these are good only on the higher time frame. So on the 5 minutes are useless, completely useless. But if you want, I give you tips. I made a website for me only, but I'm sharing with you guys. Basically on this website, I attached all the things that I look for trade gold, okay? Volume, inflow, outflow. Emmanuel is your indicator. Yes, I am. You enter in the sell with me and now you are in profit. That's beautiful, brother. Let's smash. Yeah, so far now it's moving good. Did we hit take profit 1? 40.42. Yeah. Guys, I'm taking out 50% from this trade, and I'm moving my stop loss at break even. Okay? As we take profit one already, and I want to play safe because we had a beautiful trade already that I shared in the free channel. We managed to make 150 pips. So let's play safe. Let's not risk our money. Let's not risk to ruin the day. But you didn't understand the interface, sir. What you mean for interface? You closed yours. Thank you. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Send me the screenshot on Telegram because I love to post a screenshot of the VIP members, so we can show to everyone the profits that you guys are making inside my VIP. Today I'm very calm, very relaxed. Yesterday I enjoyed all day jet ski and swimming. It was beautiful. This morning I woke up early, I hit the gym, took a small walk with my dogs, and yeah, we are here. Battery is loaded for a beautiful, beautiful live streaming today. Hopefully we'll manage to catch some nice trade together. Maybe my screen is frozen, because my screen, it looks frozen. Let me check if I can refresh. I hate this thing. Why, YouTube? Why? Let me see if I can refresh the screen without turning off live streaming. I still see that I am frozen. No, should be good now. So basically I am moving, but TradingView is frozen. Which things we need to look on the website that I shared? All of them. All of them. There's no discount, brother. You need to learn how to read all the panels that I uploaded. But you know what? I will make a specific video for this. So I will teach you how to read. Okay? We are about to smash the take profit 2. Guys, give me just 1 second. I'm gonna fix the screen, okay? I'm gonna fix it, because TradingView is frozen and it's horrible. Let me see. Let me see what's the issue. What's the issue? Maybe I can add a new one. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to fix the screen, you know? Okay, should be fine. Now it should be fine. Let me double check. Mom on the porch yelling, y'all come eat, but the game on tinted glued to the concrete. Old school love in the front yard chair. Slow dance sway in the late night air. You're working on a Telegram setup, but I can't be awake during the US session. Brother, you know, there are many members of my community that they use one application. Let me show you. Because I am inside their Telegram channel as well. Basically, it's an application that will allow you to execute the trade as soon as I send the trade to my Telegram channel. that trade get executed inside your MT5 account. Let me check. I see the link. See. Let me check. Yeah, I found it. Let me paste the screen. You can't hear. What about now? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me good? Is audio good? Brother, turn down the volume a little bit. You mean the music? It's too loud? What about now? Music is loud. Okay, I'm sorry, brother. Let me know, is everything fine now? So this link that I just pasted, if you guys can hear me, you know what, brother, I can turn it off. I turn it off because I cannot hear. Apparently it was super low volume for here, but I cannot hear nothing. So and just move forward so we also avoid some strikes for limitation on YouTube, because I'm not using any sort of why now the screen is blocked on the music. Man, I need someone. I need to hire someone for manage my live. Okay, now we are back on trading view. Hopefully it's not frozen. Yeah, it is frozen. Yo guys, that's crazy. Do you only trade gold? No, I trade gold, Bitcoin, indices. What did I say about Telegram setups? Is that accurate? Does it have MT5? Yes. I don't know if it works on CTrader. For sure, yes, it works on MT5. And basically, as soon as I share a signal into my channel, that signal, it becomes a trade which is executed in your trading account. So just click the link that I shared and have a look. I do not use this one, as I am a little bit against automations, but many members find it valid, so it's good. It's not me, it's nothing related to me. What's the biggest profit I made in one position? I think $1.50. No, I'm kidding. The biggest one I did long on gold like months ago. I opened at 2 lots and I made almost 10K. It was a trade that I held it for a while, and it was the period where every weekend at market closing, before the market was closing, you needed to open a long on gold because there was Trump bombing basically the whole Middle East, and so this was making gold pump. But it's not the biggest trade. This one is the biggest on gold. On crypto, I had trades like very big. I mean, very big for me, because there are people that they make millions with their trades. But yeah, it was almost a $30,000 trade, $30,000 trade on Dogecoin. It was a long on Dogecoin. One of my friends made 50K, but it was pure gambling and went into that mindset. It was like if you time, and yeah, the problem, yeah, you can make 50K, but if you make it by gambling, means okay, you make 50K today and you lose them tomorrow. If you make it with a method and with a strategy, yeah, that's the best. But you know, it's very hard to make a super huge amount of money with a small account, unless, as you said, you start to gamble. So for me, it's a no. It's a no. Guys, I think we just hit take profit 2. Let me check. Let me check, so in case I'm gonna mark it down. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. So far we are making good profits, and we are super happy. Man, we didn't hit take profit 1 for an inch. I'm moving my stop loss at break even now. We tell to the people to do it. So we play safe. If we did get stopped out, it's fine. We made our profits already. Man, Bitcoin is going down, thanks God. I'm so stressed. I'm in a trade, I'm in a short on Bitcoin from like weeks. This is I think the second week that I am inside this trade. Let me check if I can show you. Let me check if I can show you. Let me see if I can add. Then we will also refresh the screen so we make sure that you guys can see it. Create new. Give me just 1 second, guys. I'm not reading the comments for now. I'm checking if I can show you Bybit, my Bybit account. If I can do it, it's amazing. Okay, that's gold. Let me close this one and this one. He was on 500 lex leverage. That's crazy, bro. You sent me a screenshot of your profit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. That's beautiful to hear. Do I follow the 4-year cycle theory on BTC? No, I'm not gonna follow the 4-year cycle on BTC anymore because there is, I think it doesn't exist anymore, you know? Because now we have governments, we have institutions, so now it's all a game of liquidity and ownership. So I don't believe into the 4-year cycle anymore. This is my take. Let me see if gold is moving. Can you guys see the chart, my chart moving? The chart on gold. Or maybe I can do a better thing. Let me check. Because today, I don't know, the streaming application is not working properly. I'm trying to do my best for show you the screen because I want to show you everything. No censorship. Here we show everything. Application, LG, Google Chrome. Okay. I move myself up. Okay. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, now yeah, everything is updated now. Anika, what I did for my weekend, I just went to swim, to jet ski, spent some time with friends and with my dogs, of course. As stop loss executed, but you made $250. Yeah, we got stopped out at break even. We got stopped out at break even for this trade. So we only hit take profit 1, we made 40 pips. Yeah. The problem is that now you guys are seeing... man, that's a mess. That's a mess, because if I go here, and then if I change again, guys, I don't know how to show trading view and how to make it stay. The good thing is that I have nothing to hide, because can you imagine I had like some sketch windows open? Yeah, it's all good, it's all good. Let me try once again to fix this mess. Dun, 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 dun. Am I on X? Yes, my handle is Emanuele Xauusd. So yeah, you can join me on X as well. I share a lot of content on X as well, huh? To be honest. Like, very, very good alpha content. Let me check if I can modify the screen. Because there is crazy today. Okay, should be work now. What about if I do like this? Okay, okay, okay. I like what I see. I like what I see. So hopefully now it's fixed. My screen is fixed, and you guys can see everything, like my Bybit, my trading view. Hopefully everything is working now. So if I move over on Bybit, you guys can see my Bybit screenshot, where I'm currently holding. Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, so basically I was a little bit worried and afraid to get stopped out at break even for this short on Bitcoin, a short that I'm holding from the 20th of June. Because I opened the trade around here, and then I started to add more position. This is why you see other sell and so on. It's not me opening other trade, but I just keep adding into this short. In fact, last week I was telling you that the take profit for this short was giving me a profit of 4,000. But since I kept adding, now I'm running for get 6,500. Which is very, very nice. But let's see how it's gonna play out from here. Let's see. Since we got stopped out at break even, even if we continue to go down, I'm not gonna count take profit 2 and take profit 3. Just for clarity and transparency. Because we got stopped out at break even, so there's no point to count fake profits. Let's keep it real. You found my account using AI tools, and most signals on X are a scam, and I wanted to find someone genuine, and your name popped up. Bro, you know, that's beautiful. Thanks a lot. I take it as a feed. But it's happening now that, I mean, at the beginning, because I know a little bit about SEO, about how search engines works, and before it was working basically on spam. The more you spam a keyword, the more you get ranked above. Now it's all about transparency, real value, and quality service. So if you are not in this category, if you are not a real one, you do not get mentioned by AI like Gemini or ChatGPT, because I have a lot of people that they tell me all the same. They tell me, hey bro, I found you on ChatGPT, your name popped up first. I mean, if you open ChatGPT now and you ask who's the best Xauusd signal provider, or who's the best gold signals provider, there are 2 or 3, and it's highly likely that my name is in the list. There is me, there is another one called like Xauusd, Myfxbook-verified, I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, if you provide the real value, you get mentioned and eventually you rank it good. Otherwise, you are invisible. And I like this. So you know the web get a little bit clean up from scammers, fake gurus, and so on. Guys, leave a like on not on the chat, but here below on the video, so our live get suggested more and we get more people. But anyway, yeah, unfortunately this is a world that it's full of scam, because basically if you don't know how to make money from trading, just learn the basics and make a course and sell it for $499, and everyone will buy. Like fuck man, I hate everyone. Tory trades, okay? Some of you will become sad, okay? Tory trade. All that story that she is a niece of a famous trader, that he teaches everything and you make money drawing trend lines on the chart, it's all bullshit, okay? It's bullshit. Let's be real. Let's be real, guys. Let's be real for a sec. Because if it was real, because I also started to watch and started trading from YouTube, okay? So if that one was real, I would have way more than 50K in my account, okay? I would have like 50 millions. I have 50K because I learned trading the hard way, the sad way, the bad way, the way that make you stay up at night with anxiety, with a lot of stress. I was almost losing my hairs. Man, I was coming out from the shower, I was wiping up with the towel, and I was finding my hair like this. My hair were dropping, and bro, there's no way out from that one, because the more you see it, the more you get stressed and the more you lose hair. So, wow, it was a nightmare. Should do a sell again? No, brother, let's wait for the next setup. Soon a signal from me, it hit take profit or stop loss, the setup is not valid anymore. I mean, I do not consider, I never consider re-entries or whatever. Basili Trader, I followed in few months, but when you asked for performance, you didn't get anything. That's the truth, brother. So, I mean, basically, first thing first, you have to search on ChatGPT or Gemini or whichever, okay? A trader for Be Real, it's good if he has some prop firm challenges passed, so you are sure that he's a trader that uses proper risk management, that he respects the rules, and so on. So it's a good sign already if they have prop firm. The next step is a live account. I mean, with real money inside. It doesn't matter, 50K, $500, 600, doesn't matter, okay? Just be a real account. So it's sure that who's sending you signals is one person that put his money where he put his mouth, okay? Because I can say everything on a demo account, and Have you ever heard of Dr. Profit? No, I don't like the name already. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't know. I never heard. And make sure they have independent Trustpilot reviews. Independent. Because why I say independent? Because I have a lot of screenshots from Telegram, okay, which are from all of you. I can speak openly because 90% of the people who send me the screenshot, it's here in this live, he's watching and he's listening, so I can speak like with full transparency. But at the end of the day, I can just bring 2 Telegram accounts, make them talk with each other, you know, and send fake screenshot of trades make on a demo account, and I build my reviews, I build my feedbacks this way, you know, which is totally scam, okay? And the best is so to have real reviews, and you have real reviews on Trustpilot, and you can have a real profile on Trustpilot only if you are a registered business. You cannot have Trustpilot profile without having a VAT number, without opening a company. So I am an established company, so I can have my Trustpilot, and you cannot fake reviews on Trustpilot, okay? Yes, I can ask to my butcher, please go on Trustpilot, and yeah, okay, but you cannot fake hundreds of reviews. So make sure they have something like that. You can have a look also on Reddit, on Quora, because there are forums full of people talking about their experiences in their channel. So with all these things, you can decide if it worth to trust a person or not. You used account R5 bot indicator on TradingView, and it works most of the time, especially on high time frame, and you want my opinion on it. Share me something, bro. Share me something, sure, on Telegram. Make me show something. Let me see. And so, yeah, honestly, I am against bot because you enter on a trade in loss. 7 USD. I keep or close. I only know that you enter on a trade and you are losing $7. I don't know which pair. I don't know if it's a buy. I don't know if it's a sell. So I need more information for be able to help you. So I am a little bit against bot and automations because I tried like crazy. I bought a lot of bot. And so I bought some of them for 500 euros, some of them for 5,000 euros, and at the end they all go good. They all perform well for like weeks or months, but at the end of the day they all blow up. So I am my bot. You sent me the bot on Telegram. Okay, that's perfect, brother. That's perfect. After the live, I have a look. You know what I do? GRL, okay, yeah, I see our conversation. I pin our conversation and I will have a look later after the live, okay? You are on top list, brother, okay? It's a sell. Okay, where? On gold? Where is your stop loss? Because $7 is not that big of a deal. From where you enter? Guys, if there is also someone which is new, which never joined my Telegram channel, I pinned the comment, okay? You can click the link that I shared and pin it in the conversation, on the chat, or also in the description of this video, and you can join the channel. He probably entered at 51. If you entered in a sell from 51, you are in profit. You are not losing $7. If he doesn't speak, we cannot help. From 41. And you can put your stop loss at 52, or like I did for the signal that I shared at 60. You can put your stop loss at 4,060. But this one is totally another trade. I mean, it's not what I sent in my channel. Guys, let me pin one convert. Oh, we are 18 people. We are 18 people, guys. Things are getting serious here. We are growing. We are growing. And I stay here. I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna go anywhere. Stay here with you. We stay together today. We trade all the way. This is my channel. If you're not here yet, you entered from 40.39. So basically, you entered when I hit the take profit too, brother. But you are not in my VIP channel, right? Because if you are, I get mad at you, brother. Because I don't want my VIP members to do these kind of things. Broski, get a sip of water. No, brother, I'm gonna get ready a nice gin tonic now, or a Moscow Mule. I'm kidding, I don't drink alcohol. I just had a beautiful Red Bull. I had this short on Bitcoin, and it's a pain in the ass because it takes long time for close. I mean, this is the 4-hour chart, and it takes long time. But brother, you know what I do? I aesthetic vibe. I go 1 second in the kitchen, I open the fridge, and I get a full bottle of water with ice. So I can stay here better. Excuse me guys for a second. There you go. So, is my Bybit screen still frozen again or not? I hope no. I hope not, because I hate this thing of the blocked account. No, looks good, looks good, looks good. Bro, when will be the next signal? About what time? Brother, I cannot tell you. If you're not in my VIP, I cannot tell you. Trading view, it's frozen. Yes, let me fix, brother. Let me try. The price now is 40.44. Let's see. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why all these issues with connection. I mean, you know how much I paid? I spend 100 euro a month for connection because I have 2 modems. Because this house is so big that I need one here in the living room and another one for have connection in the bedrooms. What's up, bro? All good, Kevin. What about you? Welcome to the live, brother. We're gonna trade the US session together. We're waiting for a nice setup. We just had the sell. You are on my VIP, so yeah, I can tell. You will see when I share the next signal, brother. But soon. Very, very soon. Have you took my last signal? The one we made TP1 and then we closed it in profit. Emmanuel is the best in the business. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. You know, it doesn't take a lot for become the best. Just do not be, don't do sensational claims. Don't talk shit, Don't lie, and you become first because everyone is a fucking scammer, brother. That's crazy. That's crazy. Valid. How you guys doing? Is any one of you inside the trade right now? Also, let me pin the message. If someone is not yet in my free Telegram channel, you can join now from the video description or from the link that you see in the pinned comment. Yep, you got it. Nice, brother. Nice. We got a sell and we got stopped out at break even after we hit the first take profit. You know, usually I mean, all VIP members know that we move stop loss at break even after we hit take profit too. But sometimes we play safe, especially after a couple of winning signals that we have already, so we do not ruin our day. And we stay cool. We stay chill. And we enjoyed money, we enjoyed profits. I have a question for you. Why I have 8 likes in my live and I have 15 viewers? I would like to have 15 viewers and 15 likes. So there is some of you that did not give me a like. Hey, Federico, good morning, Mbare. Good morning to you too, bro. How's it going? How are you? Ah, you just wrote me on Instagram today. Brother, I'm sorry, it's because I get really a lot of messages, so it's hard to respond, especially on social media, because it's all like people that reach me out for collabs and so on, so I'm not so much on Instagram. But yeah, I see that you made some profits this morning, so it's very, very good. And I am particularly happy for you, you know, Federico, because you are one that I remember you told me that you got scammed a lot of time, you lost money. So yeah, I'm genuinely happy that you're making profits. But always, as I recommend to everyone, guys, I have a high win rate, okay? But this does absolutely not mean that you guys have to go all in on each signal that I send, because this way it only take one loss for lose all the money, you know. There is one guy, he wrote me on Telegram, hey man, I cannot comment on your YouTube live. It's because you are not subscribed. It's because you're not subscribed. You must be subscribed, at least from a couple of minutes, so you will be able to. Yeah, I have it here in settings. You gotta be subscribed to my channel. Yep. How much is VIP? My VIP is $149 a month or $349 a year. It says you have to open a channel to comment. No, you don't have to open a channel. You have just to be subscribed to my channel, brother. Have you tried Cloud with TradingView using the Model Context Protocol MCP? Cloud allows AI to act as a real-time trading assistant. No, but I will absolutely have a look. So I'm gonna save your message and I'm gonna have a look later. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much, brother. I'm gonna save it on a note. To be honest, you try max 1 or 2% on a trade, and that's the only real thing that will save you. It's not gonna make you lose money. So yeah, that's the best. Maybe my screen got frozen again. Let me check if we can fix it. Okay, maybe we managed to unfrozen. Yeah, that's crazy. Why? Why the camera get blocked all the times? I mean, trading view. Okay, should be fine now. There was a guy asking me a question. Let me read the comment. You mentioned something in the group about copy trading. How exactly will go? How does it work? Do you also have to pay? Do I also have to pay that 150 for the VIP? Me personally, no, I don't need to pay that 150 because the VIP is mine. I'm kidding, brother. But yeah, being serious, no, you don't need to pay the membership for joining the VIP channel if you only want copy trading. So reach me out in DM, and I will help you to join the copy trading if you want the automatic copy trading instead of following the signals by yourself. Yo, my dear Anika, no worry. If you are busy, no worry, my dear. We are always happy to have you in our live. So thank you very much for being here, even if you are busy. Anyone wants to learn about trading psychologies? Yeah, so basically, if you want to master psychology, you just have to become crazy. No, I'm kidding. You just need to separate and detach your brain from your heart. Okay, you have to detach yourself from all emotions. Blue means nothing, red means nothing. So now, for example, we are I am on a trade on Bitcoin. I'm making quite decent amount of money, but I don't care. I don't care if I make them. I don't care if I lose them. My only focus is on consistency, and that's it. And then, of course, all those other things which are do not overtrade, do not overload, do not revenge trades, so on and so forth. But yeah, if you guys are interested in to join my VIP channel or the copy trading group, just click the link in bio and you will be able to join the free Telegram channel, and from there you can start to speak with me, interact with me, and eventually start to doing something great, something nice, something good for you. Let's see what gold wants to do, if it wants to pump or dump. But also, let's see about my Mac, because my Mac is about to to go off. 1 second, guys. Man, because I have a lot of things all connected, all attached. But look, I show you. Let me grab the camera. No, I can't. I cannot move. I even cannot move the camera. I will share a picture later from my setup, so you guys can see everything. I have a dozen of cables here, screenshot, monitors. I have my Mac. I have another Mac behind me, connected each other. I mean, I need only my phone and trade. I mean, only my phone and laptop for trading. But man, for an easy streaming on YouTube, it's a lot of things that I need to do. I need to take care. While looks like that trading view got frozen again. Guys, is any one of you expert here? Is anyone that knows why all the times the screenshot, trading view will get blocked? Why? Because this is something that is not giving me peace. It's stressing out because I want to show you guys everything. Oh, okay. Okay, it was my bad. No, now it's because I am traumatized, you know. If I don't see the candles moving like crazy up and down, I say, oh my God, it's blocked. Well, it's not. Bitcoin is pumping again, which is no good. It's no good. But hopefully it's just a pump before the opening of the US session. So maybe it will be fine. We have 17 people. Thank you to everyone who's joining. And probably we're gonna get a nice trade very, very soon that I will share in my VIP, but also in my free Telegram channel. So if you're not there yet, make sure you click and join. I will add more into short. Ah, yeah, brother, because you are shorting from 81K. That's very, very good. Very, very good. I added a little bit more. So now my entry is lower. Now my entry is at 62 from 64. But yeah, so far so good. $68, $69. I hope no. I hope no, because I will get stopped out at break even. So I really hope no. So when should we enter? Around 60s? You mean for Bitcoin or for gold? If gold continue to pump, so we will go and climb again the area of 4,100, huh? So keep this in mind. Keep this in mind that we might do something like this. Even if the long term is still bearish. I mean, I even cannot exclude 3,500 for gold, you know, guys. The situation here is not nice. It's not nice. And look, the 3,500 area, it's perfectly aligned with this channel, you know. Man, that's crazy. We are on a massive support around this area. We are on a key level, guys. We are on a key levels that it will give us a crazy pump or a crazy dump. And I am more for a crazy dump. This is what I am thinking about. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. 2 trades today. One hit hold the profit, like straight to take profit free. I even didn't have the time or the need to move stop loss at the break even. The second one, we hit take profit 1 and then we hit stop loss at break even. Could have go down to take profit 2 as well, but yeah, we got stopped out before. And it's fine, it's not bad. As soon we make money, it's always good. It's never bad. Never, ever. Let's laugh a little bit, guys. Life, it's too much serious already. So we always have to find opportunities, for a laugh, for a smile. Guys, let's do a country check. A country check. Where are you guys from? I'm Italian, but I live in Malta, as many of you knows already. Then we have Anika from Pakistan. I know, I don't forget. Hi, it's Kevin from YouTube. You want to make an account on Poo Prime? Brother, let me send you the link right now so you can start to join. We have Algeria, we have Suriname, we have Lebanese. Bro, you know what I love from Lebanon? The kitchen, bro. The kitchen. I go a lot of time to Lebanese restaurant here in Malta. Malta is beautiful because it's fully mixed. Like we have all the world here. Tonight, if I want to eat Lebanese, if I want to eat Pakistani, if I want to eat Indian, if I want to eat Japanese, if I want to eat... We have everything. We have everything. And I'm obsessed with food. I love to eat. I love to eat. This is why I crash a lot in the gym and I go to gym every morning, because if I wouldn't go to gym, man, I would be like, you know, what, a bowl, a hairy bowl with legs and feet. That's crazy. Let me send the link to Kevin, so Kevin can start to do the copy trading with us, and Kevin join the family. We will add another member into our family. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, we share a lot of our cuisine. Yeah, bro, you know why? I mean, it's healthy. It's a very, very healthy diet, healthy menu. How do you want to call it? Because you guys in Lebanon do not use too much processed food, you know? All the food is like mono ingredients, like you put in your plate tomato, like meat stuffed with veggies, and it's extremely healthy. And I love healthy food, because if something is good and it's healthy, it's good twice. Maggie, you are Indian, but you live in Australia since 25 years. Nice, brother. Nice. We are immigrants together. Agree, but now because of Israel, processed things are coming through. Yes, okay, but you can always make your choices. I mean, I can go to the supermarket and I can decide to buy like I don't know, a frozen pie with meat or something, or just buy some meat and grill it. The country became poor because of the war. Yeah, brother, I'm too much against the war. I'm too much against the war. I don't want to be politics. I don't want to speak about politics, so I'm not gonna say for a decision. I'm not standing for a side or for another. But if you decide to bomb other countries, like for apparently no reason or just economic reason, you are a piece of shit. This is what I think. And with this statement, I just described the country, okay? And if you know, you know. K. Ron is interested in the copy trading. Hey, brother, start to sign up. Guys, if any one of you want to start copy trading, you guys can. Just join the Telegram channel from the link that I shared in the description of this video. You will land into my Telegram channel. You will find all the steps that you have to do for join the copy trading, which are basically, my copy trading is on Poo Prime, so you need a Poo Prime account. If you have already an account on Poo Prime, it's perfect, so already half of the job is done. But basically,
just go on your PooPrime account, open a copy trading account, and once you have done this step, you can go on the copy trading section. You open the search bar, search for Emanuele Calcina, the Gold Sniper. Of course, I will repeat you once you reach me out in DM. You just click on copy and it's done. That's the only thing you need to do. $741 in profit for this trade setup, while gold is getting ready for do something, guys. Gold is getting ready for do something. We have the opening of the US market in 12 minutes. So some volume, some nice volume is about to come. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. 1 hour and 7 minutes live. I'm gonna stay here, I'm not gonna move. I'm gonna stay here with you guys because I genuinely enjoy to stay with you, like honestly, like for real. We stay all together. Hopefully we catch some setups together, we make some money together, everything together. You still have your sell limit from 52. Should you keep it? From 52. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure because, I mean, maybe you can enter, but not as a limit order. You can just wait for the price to go up, and then once you come back down to your entry 52, you can enter. Let's go, guys. Let's see what else is gonna happen. I want a gold pump and a Bitcoin dump. Let's see if we can get this. Godi, thank you for the advice. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. I hope that you make good money today and you make good money for all the rest of the week. Let's see. $4,043 for now. Bitcoin is just being stupid. Bitcoin. Hope not too much stupid. Let's check the dollar as well. Good. Dollar looks like it's getting ready for a pump. Hopefully we're gonna get this pump on the US dollar. So Bitcoin is gonna dump. Dollar is pumping like crazy, guys. It's pumping like crazy. And I see a $107 target, between $107 and $105 per gold. There is a VIP member on live. He sent me an audio, but I cannot hear. Hi, brother. I cannot hear. I'm live on YouTube.
I listen later. Yeah, I am always super busy because I respond always to all VIP members, like no one excluded. We're all together. Gold on the daily looks nice. On the daily looks nice for a pump. Driver is asking me what should you feel on the ref code. Nothing, because I'm not affiliated with brokers. Leave blank. We guys get just connected for the copy trading. Like I do not get commissions from broker for your trading activity. And talking about this, I want to explain you something, because maybe today in this live there is someone which is new, and I want to explain you something. And you will ask me, Emanuele, how do you know all these things? I know because I am on the other side. Having a Telegram channel, having a community, having social media means that I get reached out every day from brokers. They will ask me to promote, and in exchange I will have like benefits. I will have commissions from your trading activity. But how it works, and when you find a signal provider, a Telegram channel or something that will give you free access for join, you gotta be scared and you gotta be worried, because it's highly likely that it's a scam. You know why this is a scam? Because they get paid by the broker from your trading activity, okay? But the broker, in order to pay you and make money, you have to lose the money, okay? So this is why this thing is a scam, okay? Because if I let you join my VIP channel just because you sign up into the broker, means that in order for me to get the commission, I need you to lose money. And this is why I ask money for join my VIP channel, because since we are profitable, since we print money, since we are profitable for real, I will make zero money from the brokers, basically, because you guys, if you guys are profitable, the broker doesn't make money. So this is the hard truth. This is how things works. Now you know. If you don't know, now you know. Man, why TradingView is still blocked? Why? Anika say true. Yeah, of course. You gotta be worried when they say, oh yeah, you can join my VIP absolutely for free. Yeah, for free, yes, but you're gonna pay much more. So trust me, it's much better that you pay a membership, but at least you know that you are paying for the membership and that's it. Nothing else, and you're not gonna lose money later, you know. Let me try to fix the screenshot. I mean, not the screenshot. Let me try to fix TradingView. Because everything looks blocked. And I really don't understand why. Like, I have no idea. I try to refresh. And hopefully it will work. No, this is still old because I removed it. Why YouTube, why you do this to me? Let's try to make a new source. Okay, for the 5th time, again, I might have fixed it. Let's see. Yeah, okay, now it's working, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, it's very annoying this issue, but I don't know why. I don't know what caused this problem. Going into US Open now. 3:30. Man, come on, even guys, did happen to you sometimes that MT5 get blocked? That's crazy. Anyway, gold is dumping for US Open. Let's see if the dump will continue. Oh, we stop here. Let's see how this is gonna handle. So first candle down, second candle up for gold. Oh no, this is the first candle now. Yeah, the first 5 minutes. Let's see. Bitcoin is pumping. Horrible. We want Bitcoin to dump and gold to pump. Possibly. Would be nice. Because if gold hold the $4,037 level, might be a signal of continuation, you know, around the 4,073 area, and then 4,100. So we are on a strong support right now. This is a whole area of support. Let me mark it down so you guys can see it better. For me, this is a support, okay? Because why? Because the price after this drop started to go up, it tapped here and then back down. Then it tapped again and then back down, okay? This was resistance. Then what happened? That we went down and then the price started to go up. It broke this level and then it retested as support. So what before was a ceiling, now it's floor, okay? So let's see if we manage once again to close a candle above. Will be beautiful, a 15-minute candle above this level, and so can give us some nice continuation. Quick buy scalp? No, brother. I don't jump on trades like this just because I don't FOMO into trades. Also because the 1 minute look bearish as fuck. So is not the best for jumping to a long. The best now is just to watch and see what happens. Just this. So far, gold looks like he's holding. So let's just wait. I want to see gold closing above this rectangle that I draw. If it closes above, it's a good sign. Let's see. Bitcoin is going down. Man, my trade was like $500, now 800. I really want to see like a nice drop, like far from me, like see the price very, very far from me, and so I can add more to my entry, take some partials as well, make my trade bigger. This is what I want to see. Let's see if I will see what I want to see. Let's see. Do you see? Do you see? So far, this candle is behaving good. Let's see, because we see that this candle almost engulfed the previous one. Let's see this 5 minutes, how it's gonna behave. Let's see if will be a good bet. Sorry, I couldn't hear, what did I say? Wait, can you hear me now? Even the sound, guys, even the sound went off. Come on, I cannot stream in these conditions. Driver is asking me, with this account, copy trading account, standard. Okay, it was just for you. And what was your question, brother? I will answer. One hour and 24 minutes live. I mean, this is nothing. Still have a lot to do here. We still have a lot to do. We still have a lot to give, and we still have a lot to take from the market. We are gonna execute once we see a clear move. So I wanna see gold break above the line that I tracked, or above or below. And then we enter on the retest, like we did last week. Last week was amazing, bro. We caught the perfect breakout and retest. We had a beautiful trade, like zero drawdown. It was real sniper entry. It was so clear, and I really love to catch setups like this. I see the 15 minutes turning now bearish. Sounds good. God bless. God bless you too, brother. Let's see. Because it looks like we are breaking below right now. And let's see. We don't see nothing because the screen is blocked again. Oh, why? Why all this issue during the stream? I might check later with some new. Okay, now it's fresh. Okay, as you can see now, the price dropped below. We have a double top on the 15 minutes. Okay, So we might enter into a sell right now, okay? But not now. We need to wait, because so far we had one top, another top, double top, and we have this 15 minutes that it broke below. But can be also a fake move, okay? This can be also a super bad fake move. So what are we gonna do here? We just wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and if this candle it closed below, and the new one it open below and bearish, we might enter into a sell targeting the $4,000 level. Okay, but we need to wait because it's not sure right now. So let's just wait and let the market tell us what we have to do. Simple as that. If we don't know what to do, we just wait for the market to tell us what we have to do. That's it. Simple. It's not hard. Ho ho. Maybe I do this thing because trading made me became like autistic or something. I don't know. Oh my god. $939 profit on this trade, and hopefully we will start to go down. Hopefully. Hopefully. I would like to see some action. Guys. We need some action. Yo, my brother sent me the videos of him watching my live streaming. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's go. Bitcoin dump. Gold, let's see what gold wants to do. Come on, guys, come on. Let's see what gold wants to do. I want to make a little bit of money today, and instead of send them to the dog charity that I have in Georgia, where we rescue and feed hundreds of dogs, we might do a nice donation for Venezuela. Because you guys know what happened in Venezuela, what's happening in these days in Venezuela. My father is from Venezuela, so it means that this makes me 50% Venezuelan. I have parents there, I have my sister, my niece, cousins. And that's a bad situation there right now. And hopefully it will finish good. You have day off tomorrow. Nice. What you gonna do, brother? What you gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow we stay on the chart. We stay glued on the chart and we trade. Weird volume on open. Yeah, it's always weird. It's always weird on market open. Yeah, specifically because there is this volume injection. Let's see what's gonna happen. School holidays with your son. Nice, brother. Nice. I wanna have a son as well, you know. I don't have, but I would love to be a family. You know. I never thought about this, but 1 month ago, I went in Sicily to visit my family, and my cousin, she just have a son. She just had a son. He is like 9 months old, and she took this baby and put it in my hands like me, and I had the baby like he was sitting like this in my leg, you know. It was so beautiful, so sweet, so calm, and I was look this small creature in the eyes. I don't know, I felt in love with it. So it woke up like the father that he is in me. And you have a dog. Nice, brother, nice. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. All of them rescued. There is one which is here with me. I cannot show. She's watching at the window. She's monitoring. She's like a police officer, and she have to bark to all the dogs that pass by. Oh my God. Let's see, let's see. I can see again here a trading view screenshot, still frozen and blocked, but now that I know, I just take care of it. I upload, update, refresh the screen, and so this way we manage to fix. Maybe next live we make it better without all this delay on the live and without this issue. Because this one sucks because I don't know how, really, generally, I don't know how to fix it. There is the screen that after, like, I don't know, a certain amount of minutes, just stop working, you know? Like, gold is pumping right now. We do not see. It sucks. Let's see here, I changed the screen right now. Might work. No, it's not to work because I even cancelled the arrow, but here on the screen I still see them, so it's not good. Let me try to change once again. Yo, that's crazy, these things. It's very annoying. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, I even cannot change anything in the settings while I am live, so hopefully later with the help of Cloud I will manage to fix, you know. Because it does not move. But yeah, I can create another source and fix it this way. Let's see. Let me check. Anyway, guys, we are about to jump into a signal. We might take a trade here, okay? We might take a trade. So hold on, be ready. Let me fix the screen so you guys can see everything, trading view. Yeah, let me create just once again another source. Man, it's so annoying because I want to show you a lot of things, but this way it sucks. So I'm gonna cancel all the screen and we go from here. Let me create a new one. There is my other dog that is coming here. Maybe he wanna pass by to say hi to us. Let's see. Let me add the screenshot before. Ciao, ciao, bro. Just say hello to my buddy, to my trading buddy. Having a big house, you have a lot of people hanging out with you, even when you are doing something else. You might have seen my other dog here in the background. Let me fix this one. Okay, once again we are live, and I see now that the screen is not frozen, so it might be good right now, hopefully. Yeah, now it's fixed. Man, it sucks so much. I hate this inconvenience. Okay, guys, let's wait for the closing of this 15-minute candle, okay? Because looks like it want to end up bearish. So if this one close like this below the $4,037 level, and the other one it open bearish, we might go down, because it's highly likely that we're gonna lose the level of 4,032, okay? Unless this now start to pump, do week after week, and will give us the opportunity for entering into a long. But I'm checking also from phone, the 1 minute, it looks bearish, and this for be something like liquidity sweep or whatever, we need to drop more than that. Like drop this kind of drop is not enough. So let's see. Just 1 second, because I cannot read your comments. Okay, nobody wrote nothing, so all good. Let's go, guys, let's go. We are 9 minutes away from this 1 hour closing candle. I see now the chart on TradingView is going good. You guys can see behind me, there is my pit bull. more running back and forth. I will take him for a nice long walk later after this stream. Even if it's hot, he doesn't care. He always wants to stay outside. It's super, super playful puppy. I just got the news that Michael Saylor is starting to sell Bitcoin. Of course, of course. The average price for the DCA of Michael Saylor is $73,000 per Bitcoin. You know, now we are sub 60,000, which means that he is desperate, and tomorrow he has to pay dividends to all his investors. And guess from where he is gonna take the money? Of course, he's gonna sell a lot of Bitcoin. And what's gonna happen to the price of Bitcoin? It's gonna drop by a lot. This is what's gonna happen. We just want to listen to me instead of focusing on chatting. Much love, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And basically also, surprisingly for me, because I had no idea about this, Iran, they have a shit ton of Bitcoin. They have really, really a lot of Bitcoin. And they had a war settlement with the United States, and basically United States have to send to Iran something like 300 billions with the B, 300 billions of dollars for reparation, for rebuild all the damages that were made from the war. But of course, United States is never going to send all this money to Iran. And guess from where Iran will take the money for rebuild the country? I mean, not the country, but the parts that were destroyed by the war. He will sell a lot of Bitcoin. So there are zero bullish news about Bitcoin, like zero. We had the 15-minute candle closing bearish, extremely bearish, like extremely bearish, guys. I still want to wait and see for lose this level. I want to wait a little bit, okay? Let's take all the calm that we need because we are not in a rush. We don't have to do nothing, just trade. But so far it looks like we are losing this level, the $4,037 level, okay? We need to drop below 4,031 for have the proper confirmation, you know, but this is already something nice. Capitulation on the way for BTC, brother, I hope. Oh, Islamic vibes, you are a girl, I had no idea. I mean, it's not possible to guess from the nickname. Sir, I am a girl and try to learn from you. You are my mentor. I want to trade like you. So I always stay focused. That's very good. That's very good for you, dear. That's super good for you. Aniga, take profit 3 almost hit. Yeah, but I'm not gonna count this on the metrics because because after we hit take profit 1, I told everyone to move the stop loss at break even, and even myself I got stopped out at break even. So for me it's just a take profit 1 and I move over on the next signal. If you have hold the trade, so yeah, well done for you. You made more profit than me on my same trade. You managed it better. So very, very good. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is there any buy option right now? Yeah, you can set it a buy limit at $3,500. Yeah, it's a joke, but not so joke. I mean, let's wait for now to get a decent setup. I want to see a decent structure forming, and after that we can consider to open our logs. Now I am more for a sell, okay, because this for me, I mean, look, I hope the screen is not frozen. There is nothing to be bullish here right now. There is nothing to be bullish right now. And for me, this support, which was a 4-hour demand zone. Do you remember, guys, last week we made all this pump. We read all this pump as soon as it broke out from here, okay? There is nothing to be bullish on me. I mean, for me. Right now, okay? Then it's possible that I am super stupid and I'm just seeing things super wrong, and maybe I will get a massive stop loss on the possible sell setups that I am about to take. But we can also do a small long. I don't know. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's just wait for the moment. Let's just wait. Because everything now looks so fake to me. Like, for example, this candle now. Like, what's the point? What's the sense? It's someone that is filling his orders, and someone closed a short, a massive short, and took profit. So it's a profit taking. I don't. We are playing on a support. Blocked. We cannot see. Ah man, I hate so much TradingView and YouTube today. Let me refresh. Yeah, it's still frozen. Why? No, now it's moving. Now all good. Try closing YouTube and reopen. No, if I close YouTube, the live get off. Also, the live is on another window. So it's not that one interfering. Maybe it's the program that I'm using. But it's the best program, so I don't know. It's also because, to be honest, I'm not practice on these things because I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, and if we want to speak about trading, we can speak all day, but about the other things, this tech stuff, I'm really not good. But it's fine because I'm good at making money, so it's all fine. The trade in Bitcoin now, it's slightly in profit, $1,000. My final take profit for this trade is $43,000, and it will give me a profit of 6,500, something like that. Let's check all together now. Now I am in profit of $1,012, 1,008. 1004, 1007. And yeah, the take profit for this, it's at $43,821, and it will give me a profit of $6,500. We see now gold is trying to pump, is playing around this level, but if this is a pump and it will start to go up from here, like literally this candle from here, I will stop to do live streaming and I will send my CV to McDonald's, and hopefully I will be hired. Okay, this is how confident I am that we are bearish. No, I mean, come on, guys. Yeah, we are fucking bearish. Of course. Look, it's risky. Enter now on a sell with stop loss at $4,055, you know? Because means 250 pips of stop loss. It means that it will cancel all the profits that we made during the day, you know? Absolutely no good. So it's better that we do not take this trade and we wait for a better setup. Because max stop loss that I give to my trade, and also to the trade that I share into the VIP, it's 150 pips. 140, 150 maximum. Which is a 14/15 dollar move. Gold is going down and we like it. Bitcoin is going down and we like it even more. $1,032 in profit on this trade. Hopefully we're gonna lose this support very soon. I would like to see a massive drop today instead of wait for tomorrow for Michael sale or start to sell his Bitcoin. Maybe he start to sell his Bitcoin from now. I don't know. I don't know. Gold is at 4,025, so we are losing support after support after support. And there is a high chance to gonna test the low of $3,983, but if it comes this low, it will be a sign for more bearish continuation, because I mean it will be very strange, you know, go here, climb this low, and then go back up. What are we going? I mean, what's the game? What's the game? I don't think. I really don't. Why Bybit and not Binance? Because Bybit, the trading platform of Bybit is more intuitive and more easy for me to use. I do some movements on Binance, but spot, and that's it. I just use it as a normal exchange where I exchange money for crypto, crypto for money, crypto for other crypto, and then I send everything back into my Ledger or Trust wallet. I do not keep money on centralized exchanges. Yes, okay, I have 50k on Prime, which is a broker, but it's different. My cryptos are outside. I have like super small amount of money on how much I have? $5,000 I have on my Bybit account. Only 5,000. I remember I had 3,000, so I made some money. I made a couple of trades. But yeah, I don't keep much. I don't like to keep a lot of money. Man. It's a mess today. Look gold. Look gold. Look gold. Look, it happened what I said, you know, but I needed the confirmation. I needed the confirmation. And it was not that clear to spot for me today. Because of this candle, this green candle in the middle, that it fucked up a little bit my analysis, because I said if this one closed bearish and the next one closed bearish, open bearish, we can go down, okay? And this is what's happening. But this candle, I would love to see it in red, not in green. Because I mean, I was not like, okay, yeah, if it goes green, means that it will go above, and we're gonna break above, yada, yada, yada. But it could have continued to range a little bit, bitching around this level. And for us, it's like, means nothing, you know, because it's not giving nothing to us. Bitcoin is dropping. $1,072 in profit for this trade. So good. And I say it should be a sell. Yes. But brother, we are not losing nothing, you know. Yes, okay, we could have taken this sell, but look at the profits that we made already with the previous setups. It's good. We are having a good day. We don't have to jump in all the trades. I mean, I have to, because I share the trades with you, okay? But because just, I mean, you don't have to jump on every trade just because I send the signal, okay? If you made money already with one trade or two trade, just stop it for the day. Go to enjoy, go to relax, enjoy the summer, stay with your family, stay with your girlfriend, with your parents, with your dogs. This is the best. This is the best. There was a guy from Italy. He asked me today, how many signals I send? Brother, you don't have to ask me how many signals I send per day. You have to ask me, what's my win rate? What's the risk-reward ratio on each signal that I send? Because you can be on a trading channel that sends you 50 setups and you end the day with $15 in profit. You can stay in mine where possibly I share only 1 or 2 signals and you made good money. Why? Because of the risk reward, because of everything. So it's all about quality, not quantity. I'm happy with the profits that you made today. Setups will continue to come. Yeah, of course, if you have your setup, if you have after you made good money, but you still see a good setup that you are like, I am a retarded if I don't jump on this trade as well. Yes, okay, then take the trade. But if something is risky or whatever, just skip it. Just skip it. 4 o'clock for us. 2 minutes for reach 2 hour live. Let's see if I can stay for another hour. Let's see, I would love to. Gold is dropping. $4,017. Oh, what I did. $4,017 for gold right now. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Guys, you know, I used to play the drum. I had a lot of videos where I play the drum. What's my real win rate? Because in Pool Prime my win rate is 53.6. Yeah, I mean it's not bad because we are making money from there too. But consider that we opened copy trading from 1 week only, so it takes time for all the data to be uploaded and corrected. But yeah, I will just reach out to the broker and make sure they updating everything on real time so you guys can see everything with no delay. $4,012. We're gonna go to 4,000. Looks like. But anyway, today it's a very nice day. I mean, we made decent amount of money. Gold, probably it will go to sweep 4,005. And if we lose 4,000, the next level is $3,983. Let's see what's gonna happen. My short on Bitcoin, $1,151 in profit. You see also what could happen. Maybe a decent setup could be like, look, I show you something, okay? This candle, for me, it's a candle that anticipates an explosive move. This one. This green candle, okay? This one, where there is the line, okay? So, you see the price is reacting at this level because this one was the candle that is previous an explosive candle, okay? And price is now reacting from this level. I'm not gonna say, oh, let's go long, maximum leverage. No. What I want to say is that we might bounce from here and then go back down, okay? And we can revisit that 3,965 level, okay? And I can see this from this resistance. Let's make an area. Okay, this can be a level because you see here it's a level where the price had an interest and had a nice reaction. So we might bump a little bit and then the price could drop back down again. And I'm super happy that the screen is not frozen so you guys can see everything. Hey, you guys, don't start to fight, please, huh? Sometimes when they are together, they start to fight for the bones. Do you think it might go to $3,800? I think even more than that, brother. I think even more than that. Even 3,500 can be a level. Yo, we have 11 people and 11 likes. Means that every one of you that joined the live left a like. Thank you very much, guys. This is the only thing I ask. This is the only thing I ask. And you see my dog? He is beautiful. He is an American bully. Everyone is scared. And when I walk on the street, you know, people cross. They go on the other side of the street. But then there are some other people that they know and they understand dogs. They are like dog experts, I don't know. And they come to say hi, they pet my dog because my dog is super sweet. It's super sweet. I mean, if I tell him to kill you, it will kill you because, of course, it's an American bully. And but he's trained for be sweet, not for be aggressive. Okay, then okay, if I am sleeping and you enter in my house at night, okay, you are dead. He will butcher you. But he is sweet, especially with small dogs. He has a lot of friends like Shih Tzu, Pomeranian, like small dogs, and he goes very well along. You see, bouncing off from this level. We took some liquidity below this level, and now price is bouncing. So now we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for the price to see what the price wants to do. Hopefully, we're gonna have a decent bounce, and we can enter into a sell. Okay, so let's wait for the price to go a little bit up. And maybe this can give us the room for entering into a short position. You have a Rhodesian reach back, bro. I have no idea what kind of, but I am curious, so I'm gonna select here and I'm gonna check which kind of dog. Oh, it's a big boy. It's a big boy. That's beautiful, brother. That's beautiful. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice dog. How old is he? It's a boy? Maybe you say it was 3 years, but I don't understand if your son is 3 years or your dog is 3 years. Imagine if we held the earlier sell from 40.51. Yes, brother, but imagine you bought Bitcoin at $5. Okay, don't think about this. Don't think about this, because I mean, we have to take profit. We have to take the money out from the market, okay? Now I'm here, I have this trade open on Bitcoin, yes, okay, $1,100, okay, but till I don't close the trade, those money are not mine. And I'm always for take profits, always. So yeah, okay, this is a swing, this is another strategy that I have. It's different from scalping, it's different from trading gold, okay? The approach that I have between gold and crypto is totally different, but never think with the sign of later. Think about what we can do now. We have opportunities all day. It had region is back. Dog is 3 years and son is 11. Nice. Nice, brother. Yeah, it's time for me to start to build a family as well, you know. I am 35. I will be 36 in November. So, yeah. Let's see, I would like to see a little bit of pump continuation for gold. And so we can fire it up a sell. Guys, do not jump on a sell on the first red candle that you see on the 1 minute, okay? Let's just wait. Let's make gold to do his play. We created a small fair value gap on the 15 minutes, but fair value gap in the 15 minutes is like useless, it's nothing, so I don't care about it. Good luck. Thank you, brother. Good luck for Mamma mia, having a baby, yeah. But you know what? I am already an expert for change diapers, because my other dog, my white dog, is she is paralyzed, and she had nappies, and I always have to change the nappies, you know. Ugh. Oh, red candle, sell. No, I'm kidding. Hey, don't do nothing. I was kidding. Guys, market is becoming bored, so let's play a little bit. Let's have some fun. Guys, anyway, without turning the live off, would you guys excuse me and let me go to prepare a coffee for me? Anika. If Anika is here, I have to ask her permission. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, okay, guys? So I will be more loaded. You almost did sell. No, brother, I'm not gonna do these jokes anymore. Yeah, because I love to be funny. I hate to stay serious for a lot of time, but we have money on the table. So yeah, let's play serious. I'm gonna go to get a coffee quick and I come back. Yo, I'm back. What did I miss? What did I miss? I missed that gold is pumping into our level. And maybe we can get ready for a short. Man, that's a pump. That's a pump. What's the optimal lot size for a $1,000 account? I will say it depends from your risk, okay? Depends how much you want to risk for per trade, okay? But at 0.05, it's a good one. It's a good lot size. Guys, we are exactly at the resistance point, and I might try to enter into a sell. I'm not kidding this time, but I'm gonna do with a super small lot size, okay? With a stop loss at $4,036. So I'm on a sell now. Stop loss at 4,037 better. It's a small 100 pips stop loss. And I'm targeting the low. The very, very low, okay? Very, very low for me means $3,971. So this is not a scalp. It's a nice trade. Because if it goes in profit, it's a 540 pips. So 100 pips stop loss, 500 pips take profit. Hopefully we go into a profit and not into a loss. Such a good entry, thank you. Thank me after we hit the profit, brother. Hopefully we make some money. Live all together. If my analysis do not get invalidated. As long as the price stays below this line, we are fine. When it breaks above, it's a problem. And we don't want to have this I don't want any problems, sir. So hopefully we're gonna drop from here. Let's see. We are at resistance, guys. We are at resistance. So it will be beautiful for us to see some down move. Hopefully this one is not a V-shaped recovery. And hopefully we drop together with the price of Bitcoin as well. Yeah, so far the price went exactly on the level that I marked. Like literally. My arrow was at the dot of the arrow, the angle of the arrow was at $4,027. And we surpassed it for just $1. And hopefully we drop. Hopefully we go down from here. Let's see. Let's see, with calm, with cold mind, without, oh my God, I have all my money here. I'm gonna get liquidated. No, no, no. If we get take profit, it's a nice trade. If you get stop loss, it's a small loss. This is how trading have to be, without stress, without emotion. We are 1 hour and 2 minutes, and now 1 hour and 3 minutes after US market open. We are having a rejection from this level, and so far it looks nice. So far. If you guys are like, If you guys entered with more than a trade, you can maybe take some profit. You can maybe close one. I have only one trade, so for now it's open. About to sleep in a bit. We'll check tomorrow if profit or loss. Good night. Yeah, because you are in Australia. My brother, wish you good night. And I wish, I hope this trade will go in profit, so tomorrow you wake up with a smile. So let's see. Bye bye. Maggie, see you soon. Let's see how this is gonna play out. Bitcoin is pumping again. I really want to see Bitcoin lose the 59,000 level. Really would love to see this. Let's see how this is gonna play out. Guys, while we watch this trade plays out, is any one of you that wants to ask me any question? Want to ask me something? I tell you immediately, no, I don't have an OnlyFans profile. But yeah, if you have some questions. Come on Bitcoin, come on gold, both of them, both of you guys, drop. I wanna see both of you dropping down. This morning you hit take profit free with the first signal that I shared. Nice, brother. Super happy. Yeah, it was smooth. It was very smooth trade, very quick and fast. Straight to the level, straight to the points without making us wait, without making us sweat. Very low drawdown. Yeah, it was a nice execution. Not because it's my trade, but yeah, it was nice. Then we had another one that we could say that we hit all the targets, okay? But I'm not counting take profit 2 and take profit 3 because after we hit take profit 1, I told everyone in my VIP to move stop loss at break even. So I'm not counting. I mean, I'm not like the other channel. I see some channels that they never tell to people when to move the stop loss at break even or at entry point. And basically it happened that you guys may make 20 or 30 or 40 pips with take profit 1, and they count the take profit 1, and then the price go back against and hit your stop loss. You make minus 100 pips or minus 150, but they still claim the signal has a winning signal, you know, and this is a scam for me. Because if you hit take profit 1 and you do not move your stop loss at break even, and then the price goes back against you, your MetaTrader account is not in profit. It's not good, you know. So this is why I don't like most of the signals provider, you know. Let's see. Let's put it on the 1 minute chart. I mean, 1 minute is useless, huh? Do not give too much weight to the 1 minute. But yeah, so far almost 40 pips in profit on the sell that we shared. And now you have two choices, which are take some partials and move the stop loss at break even. And if you do it, I highly recommend you to take some partial before you move the stop loss at break even. Truly a sniper. I love you, brother. Thank you very much. Or we can either hold it all the way to the take profit or to the stop loss. I am in profit already, so I could have 100 pips stop loss without any issue, and I still close my day in profits. So for me it's fine like this. But then it's up to you. This is a signal that I mean it's not a signal, it's a setup that I took here live with you. It's not even written in my VIP channel, okay? So this trade is very, very intimate because it's only for us. You know, it would be nice that we close this trade in massive profits, and I can then take my dogs for a long walk on the promenade so they get tired, especially the pit bull. Let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Man, I would love to see a drop, like a savage drop. Like from 4023 to 4000, like one candle. How cool would it be? Also, let me make a story for my Instagram. Wait, so am I in a sell position right now? No, brother, right now I'm frying potatoes. Yes, I gave the sell signal. I called you bro, you are a girl, I'm sorry. What was your name again? Because I forgot, I am very, very bad at names. And just remember that you are a girl. I even don't remember from where are you from, but I guess some beautiful Arabic country. No? I know the other one was Islam vibes. You are aesthetic vibes. Yeah, I'm mistaken. Islamic vibe is a girl. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. My bad. And you are Lebanese. Yeah, we spoke earlier about the beautiful kitchen in Lebanon. Yeah, I'm sorry, brother. There is my neighbor. He has 3 sons, and all 3 of them, they are like one is like 11, one is small, one is like small, like 3 years old. And all of them, every time I go out with my dog, they come with me and they walk my dog with me. And my pit bull is super sweet with them. And they are from Lebanon. Did I send a new signal or is the previous one? No, brother, I did not share any signal. I just shared the analysis before, and I was saying that if the price, as you can see here, look, wait. Let me grab the 15-minute chart. I say that if we tap this level at 4,027 and we get rejected, there is a high chance that we might drop further, okay? And so the price went there, and I decided to take the sell with 100 pips in 100 pips stop loss. So the stop loss for my trade is at $4,037. So it was just this. This was my analysis and my play. Maybe I close my live streaming window. Man, I hope I am still live. Are you guys still here? Yes, okay. Okay, yeah, everything is fine. I got a stroke for a second. I thought that I closed my live streaming, like by mistake. We love Italian people, bro, too. Yeah, I know. We are two countries that we go along very, very well. Okay, I mean, me personally, I go along with everyone. Okay, I mean, I don't care where you come from, but some countries like Italy and Lebanon, Italy and Albania, Italy and Romania, we have like a super strong bond, you know. Like if you are Italian and you go in Albania, like everyone will pay for you for coffee, for cigarettes. They have to give you something. They have to show you their hospitality, you know. And these things are priceless, because when you are in a country that is not your country and people are so sweet with you, it's amazing. Same things here in Malta for me. All Maltese people, they love Sicily, which is the region from the South Italy, from where I come from. And many Maltese people, they have even home and houses in Sicily, especially in my city, which is Syracuse, because Syracuse, it's full of story, you know, full of history, because we've been under Arabic culture, under Greek culture, under Latin culture, and so we have a lot of history, you know, from the past. Guys, this trade is playing quite good, okay? We are 70 pips in profit. So if you are like in the position, you might consider to take some partial out and move the stop loss at break even. Personally, I didn't take nothing out from the trade, but I do have the stop loss at break even. So we play safe, okay? Since I say this one, I don't want to hear no one of you saying, I lose the money. Why? I told you to move the stop loss at the break even. But then it can happen, because of course I cannot make everyone happy. It can happen that we get stopped out at break even, and then the price continue to drop like crazy. And then people say, why you made me close the trade? And it's fine, it's fine. Will it be something regular to stream every Monday? Bro, I stream every day. Every day when there is market open, every day like around between 30 minutes and 1 hour before the opening of the US market, I'm here. Like Monday to Friday, okay? Because I decided that I do this thing I always wanted to do, okay? But I was like, I speak about what? What I say. And I was like thinking too much about what to say, about what to think, about what to do. And then I changed the idea and I said, fuck it, I just turn on the stream, I just go live and see what happens, you know, and I enjoy to hang out with you. I enjoy to answer your questions, I enjoy to spend time with you, I enjoy to stay here live. And also because the problem that I have, like it's not I don't have fear or nothing, but like I don't shy, I'm not shying, you know. Many people are like, oh my God, no, I don't want to go live, I'm afraid, and this and that. But afraid of what? Like, now being realistic, afraid of what? For this mic will start to punch me in the face, or some of you will come out from the laptop and start to shoot at me with a gun. I mean, the fear must be of real things. So it's almost like I don't give a fuck. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, Monday to Friday I will be live. I decided to start to do this thing from last week. And so, yeah, every week I will be here. Monday to Friday, every day. I try to do these streams on TikTok, but TikTok is shit. And apparently all the live streamings from fake gurus and scammers are good and they get a lot of views. But when you go there and speak the truth, you get silence, you get reported. Yeah, okay, so fuck TikTok. Did you guys take profit? Me personally, I am still in the trade with stop loss at break even. I did not take profit, even if it might look a good idea because now the price is starting to go a little bit back up. But yeah, let's ask to the chat if you guys are in the trade and if you guys took profit, you guys closed the trade, because at the end of the day we reached a maximum of 70 pips. You are still holding. Okay, brother, we are together. Let's see if we get stopped out at break even or we continue to ride the trade. Let's see also if my screen is frozen, because it looks frozen. Maybe no, maybe yes, because I switched to the 1 hour time frame and here it still shows the 15 minutes. Let me try to reload the page. Yeah, why TradingView do these bad things to us? Yeah, I got stopped out just now. Got stopped out in profit at break even. Okay, same game. Let's create a new screen capture so you guys can see again the trading view. Every once in a while I have to do it. Now it should be good. Let me put the camera on, let me put myself up and up again. Okay, now it should be fine. I am not gonna re-enter into a sell right now because we might go back up more a little bit before the drop. Okay, I'm still bearish as fuck. Okay, still bearish like crazy. Okay, I'm like super heavy bearish. Trade closed break even. Yeah, every one of us got stopped out of break even. Okay, we tried, but I'm confident that we're gonna get another nice setup very soon. So let's see. Let me just answer to a guy that wants to join the copy trading. Everyone wants to copy trading. Looks like you guys prefer more to follow the trades automatically instead of execute. We do both. Break even for Noman Assad, break even for Gorilla G, and break even for me as well. Let's see, guys, let's see. Are we gonna pump or are we gonna jump? What are we gonna do? Yeah, this is why I told you do not re-enter into a trade, because if the price goes up and you put the stop loss like above 4028, you have been used as liquidity. Okay, so now we need to wait. The next strong level of resistance, if this one is broken, the next step is at $4,037. Okay, I'm not telling you to enter into a long. I say just wait. Just wait for the trade. If a nice trade comes up, yes. Otherwise we wait. Let's see, because we have some rejection now. Let's see how we're gonna play out. Bitcoin, give me this drop. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. Come on, brother, drop it. Drop it. Let's see, because it looks like now it's forming a range. It doesn't, is not getting a clear direction, you know, guys. So we might stop here for now, and let's see later if we're gonna get like a better entry. So guys, make sure all of you are already in my channel. Click the pinned comment or the link in the description so you are sure that you join my free Telegram channel. So from there you can start joining the VIP, you can start the free copy trading with us. With me. I'm alone. But yeah. Let's see, it's confusing now. Because, you know, it tried to drop and it's not managing to do it. So this can be a sign. It's hovering below this resistance. But what about it breaks? Because it didn't go down from a lot, no? So what about something like this, and then like this? What about something like this? You know, it's all about probabilities, you know? So best you can do is get the good risk management so you can do it everything. And you are ready for, you know, any scenario. Let's see. Anika is back. Hello, dear. How are you? Emma, on the 1 hour saying it will go down, as I said before, yes. Yeah, I said it can go down. But it also can go up. I mean, if it continue to hold this level without dropping, because it tried to drop, but you see, we had a 15 candle to 4,000, now it's going up again. I'm not gonna say we are going to 7,000 from here. Did I get any trade? Yes, Anika, we went into a super small trade, super small short, but then we closed at break even. We got stopped out at break even. We had a maximum move of 70 pips, but then we got stopped out. So for now, we are not in any trade. So let's see what's going to happen from here. But you know what, guys? I think not much from here. We've been live from almost 3 hours. Let's wait this 15 minutes candle, how it closes. Yeah, Nick, absolutely. You are in my VIP channel, so even if we close the live earlier, if I share signals, if I find a valid and good setup, of course I'm gonna share in the VIP. You are already in my VIP, so it's all good. We all love you. Thank you very much, dear. I love you too. I love all of you, for real. I mean, the strange things is like nobody came here yet saying, you are a scammer or something. Maybe it can be because I am too much transparent, because like everything of me it's online, so you guys can can do cross checks and everything. So maybe it's because of this. Guys, I have a big problem. I have this baby right here, that she just pooped, and I really I really need to change the diapers. Otherwise I'm gonna die because of these things, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is turn off the live streaming, and I will give you appointment for tomorrow. Same place, same hour. Yeah, she's cute, thank you, dear. You know, she's paralyzed because she got hit by a car and abandoned in the field. And I saw her from an Instagram page, and I rescued, I adopted. Where is my coffee? Anika, I had my coffee. I sneaked out from the live while you were not watching me. And I ran away to take my coffee. Thanks to you, Gorilla. Thanks for all of you for being here. Guys, tomorrow make sure to be here as well. We stay together, we catch some more signals all together, of course. And tomorrow, as always, smash the like button once you enter, and also like if you can share the live in your Instagrams, in your TikTok, or across all your platforms, will be beautiful. So it's fine, Anika, you are always with us, and we love to have you here. Konnichiwa, thank you, man. Guys, see you tomorrow for another beautiful streaming all together. And I love all of you. Peace out. Bye-bye.